Okay, so for the folks in the USA, today is their Independence Day, and well, happy Independence Day. And above that, meaningful Independence Day. And if there is anything to add, I would add this a couple of snippets. Freedom is not something you should take for granted. Like it's not like your go-to cereal in your favorite aisle at the store. Freedom is really something which has its price, really momentary one, when it's gained for a person or for a country, and continuing one. Um, and also, well, I am in this era right now where I go back to my teenage self a lot, I guess, back to my honesty or something like that. Um, like there are reasons why I kind of sort of have to do this, do this detour right now. And when I was a teenager, I was used to say that, well, freedom is not a privilege. It's definitely a gift. But it's the gift which amplifies itself and amplifies you whenever you take the responsibility. Whenever you take responsibility for something bigger than yourself. And yeah, that works on a personal level, that works on a political level, on any level, actually. And well, I'm noticeably not a US citizen, and I cannot speak a lot for anyone living there, but celebrating Independence Day should not start and end with, fireworks and I don't know, some fancy soda or barbecue. It's really something which has weight to it, and I think it calls to be remembered as such. So, anyways, have a nice Independence Day, a meaningful one.